Alright, today I have, what, 2024 WRX. You see how it drives? Yeah, looks good. Fuck around and find out. We're gonna go uphill and then downhill. Since we're stuck in traffic, might as well talk about it. So this is the 2024 Subaru WRX. No real special package about it, but it does have Alcantara seats. It's got a 2.4 liter turbocharged flat four, manual transmission. Of course, put it on its own chassis, separate from the Legacy. So far, this car has actually surprised me. It's a lot better than I thought it was. Because a lot of people gave it crap because of its bad steering, but the steering really isn't an issue. The steering has no real feedback to it, but you can feel so much coming through the chassis itself that, yeah, it's numb, but you don't really need it. Of course, it is nice to have though. But then again, with a lot of all-wheel drive cars, the steering itself already is numbed. So, yeah, it's kind of a trade-off, but it's really good daily. Got plenty of room, four seats, you can sit back there comfortably. Heated seats, AC that works. Nothing at all is bad about this car. It's not like stand out spectacular, but it surprised me because of how people hate it. But it's just like every other WRX that came before, it's just a good all-around car. Does everything right, does it well enough to where you're comfortable enough every day. It's not some amazing car that's gonna fucking knock your socks off, but for a daily, not bad by any means. I don't know if you can hear it, but the engine sounds good low down, but then we lose all that noise in the mid to high range revs. And it's kind of annoying. So it'd be really nice to hear the engine. But, you know, what can you do? Sunroof though, so that's nice. It's got Dunlop tires on it, so you know, if they're ain't good. So far they feel decent. Probably going a little too fast for regular track. kind of hard to heel and toe in this. But by no means is it impossible, and I mean, if I actually got more time to set up my driving position, probably feel way better. Thankfully though, unlike a lot of new cars, it doesn't come with rev match, which, I mean, it's nice for, I guess, daily driving, but I don't really like it myself.
Sorry, I can't show the result to you while you're in the car.
You're kidding. Shut up, Siri. I'm not talking to you. Why does Siri keep going off? The phone's in the pocket. What thing, GT? No. Daily ability of this car is pretty high. The performance is mid to low. It's making like, what, 240, 260 horsepower. So, it's not a slow car by any means. Really will get you around. Haven't really tried off-roading it yet, though. I want to see what that's like. Guess we'll see as we see more in the WRX generation what happens with it, but not too much has changed. It's, I think personally, a solid car all around.